Hello everyone. Dr. Nandiphas alleges that her brother tried to extort 100,000 rands from her in exchange for his silence over her illegal congress with Facebook rapist and murderer Thabo. Makudumana, who is married to Dr. Mkhuseli Makudumana, also alleged that her brother Nkosinathi Sikeleni threatened to kill her if she did not comply with his demands. According to Sunday World publication, the extortion tidbits are contained in a High Court interdict she obtained against Sikelani in the Pretoria High Court in June 2021 to stop him from harassing and posting defamatory statements against her on social media. The allegations that her brother threatened to bump her off are contained in a police statement written by police after she opened a case of intimidation against him at Midrand Police Station in May 2021. According to the statement, things turned sour when her brother lost his job as a cameraman at CNBC Africa in 2020. She said Nkosinathi asked their parents to stay at a cottage off one of her houses in Hyde Park. She heard he wanted to move to her property as he had not been paying rent for 2 months where he used to stay. She allowed him to move into the cottage on a temporary basis as the cottage at the time it needed to be renovated in preparation for a new tenant. On May 20, 2021, she told him to move out of the cottage to make a way for a tenant. To her surprise and shock, her brother sent a WhatsApp message saying he knew secrets that would destroy her marriage and demanded a payment of 100,000 rands if she wanted him to zip his gob. The message said, "I know all the dirty secrets that can destroy your marriage and your reputation. You know what to do. Say a word about this to anyone or don't respond to this text. You will know who you are dealing with. The whole world will know what the doctor does behind closed doors, especially with your convict lover. Social media will love that. Make me an offer I can't refuse. I'm waiting." Dr. Nandiphas said, "I have known for some time that the respondent had problems with drugs and alcohol, but I never imagined that he would threaten me in such a way as to also extort me. Despite attempts by myself to calm him down, the respondent's conduct is becoming more aggressive, harassing in nature, threatening and defaming, and has now reached a level which has resulted in me needing urgent protection from the above honorable court against the respondent." Nandiphas said after his brother vacating the property, Sikelani phoned her on May 24, 2021 and demanded 100,000 rands. Sometime later that same day, he sent her a WhatsApp message that read as follows: "I need 100k in my bank account by today and I'm out of your life, otherwise I talk. Media and the Hawks." Makudumana was shocked again and blocked his contact numbers on her phone and said this was pure extortion, a criminal conduct on the part of the respondent. "I did not make any payments to the respondent." Nandiphas said the following day, on May 25, Sikelani took to Facebook and alleged that she was having dalliance with Bester. "Time to name and shame. Don't be fooled by her looks and charm. Very evil this girl." Dr. Nandiphas Sikelani Makudumana. She is in daily contact with this monster by the name of Thabo, once duped the Facebook rapist during a life sentence. In Grootvlei, she even exposed her 2 little daughters to this monster. In the outside world, he goes by the name TK Nkwana. He was the sponsor of her event called the Doctors Network and has been laundering money through her business Optimum Medical Authentics. She really dug herself into a hole for a married woman having an affair with such a low life as this. She is a shame to the Sikelani family. With this country fighting GBV and corruption, we still have monsters like this operating on the outside while in prison. This is the same guy who got #Paul2C into trouble. I have evidence in the form of recorded phone calls. I am posting this because 2 nights ago, a gunman tried and failed to kill me, my wife and my child. As the good doctor was aware of what might happen, she called my wife to tell her to take the child and go as she was fully informed by Thabo of his motive to take me out. I am willing to give up my life for the truth. Money is evil." Nandiphas Makudumana said Sikelani's allegations were wholly incorrect, untruthful and defamatory and were meant to cast her in a negative light. She said she opened a case of extortion against him at Sandton Police Station. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.